Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon PIXMA MP210 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's go to our video. First, we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, we find many options, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome and here type Canon PIXMA MP210 driver or printer driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Canon Europe. Go to the canoneurope.com PIXMA. Okay, PIXMA, then our printer name MP210 support. It is an most IMP link. If you not find at this first step, find this link from this all search result. I find in the first result. Okay, I open that link. An official website of the Canon PIXMA website is open. Here we find Canon PIXMA MP210, our printer name. Scroll down. If drivers are not selected, select drivers and scroll down. And here we find our operating system. But one problem, there is no drivers. Okay, don't worry about this. We are going to solve this issue in 1 second. Okay, go to our operating system. If Windows 10 drivers are not available, then click it here and scroll down and go to the Windows 7 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit. If your machine is 64-bit, then go to the Windows 7 64-bit. Go to the Windows 7 operating system. Click on that and here we find our drivers. Click on these drivers. Go to the MP210 series MP driver. Okay, go to this driver, click on that. Okay, and click on this download and click on the download. And our download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds. It is a small file. Download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. And here we find our setup file. And actually this setup file, printer setup file, is a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. Go to our printer driver, right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Now it is extracted. On desktop we find one folder, double click on it, double click on that folder and here we find driver and here is our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. Okay, go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new option is pop up on your screen. Here is the new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that. Check this. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click it here and go to the USB 001. Select USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB that you find. Click on the next. Click on the Havadix. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find one folder. Double click on that folder. Double click on this folder. Here we find driver. Go to the driver. Here we find two files. Select any file. I go with the first file. Select that file. Click on open. Okay. Click on OK. Here we find Canon MP210 series printer. It is a series printer. Select that. Click on next. Give any name that you like. I give Canon MP210. You can give any name that you like. Click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take less than 1 minute. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to properly and completely install this printer driver on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Our printer is installed. If you want to share in the network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check printer properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Canon MP210, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Close it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.